English cooking measurements made easy. Hello there, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our Cooking and Recipes series. Today we are exploring the world of measurement abbreviations in recipes. These abbreviations are a key part of cooking instructions in English, and knowing them can make your cooking experience much smoother. When you read an English recipe, you'll notice a lot of abbreviations following numerical values. These are measurement abbreviations. They tell you how much of each ingredient you need. For example, 1 teaspoon salt means you need 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's look at some of the most common measurement abbreviations. 1. TSP. This stands for teaspoon. This is a small measurement often used for things like spices or salt. 2. Tablespoon. This stands for tablespoon. It's bigger than a teaspoon and is commonly used for ingredients like butter, sugar, or cooking oil. 3. Cup. This is used for larger quantities. You might see this measurement used for things like flour or milk in baking recipes. 4. Oz. This stands for ounce. It's often used for measuring weight, particularly for ingredients like meat or cheese. 5. lb. This stands for pound. This is a larger weight measurement, and you might see it used for things like potatoes or larger cuts of meat. 6. G. This stands for gram. This is a metric weight measurement, often used outside the United States. 7. Kilogram. This stands for kilogram. It is a larger metric weight measurement. Now that we know what these abbreviations mean, let's try deciphering some recipe instructions together. 1. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. This means we need to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. 2. Mix in 1 cup of sugar. Here, we are being instructed to add 1 cup of sugar to the mix. 3. You'll need 500 grams of chicken for this dish. This recipe calls for 500 grams of chicken. 4. Bake the 2-pound cake for 30 minutes. Here we have a 2-pound cake that needs to be baked for 30 minutes. Remember, the correct measurement is crucial in cooking and baking for the desired outcome. And that's it for today's lesson on measurement abbreviations in recipes. Now you're ready to tackle any English recipe that comes your way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from trying new recipes. I hope this video has been helpful. Until our next lesson, happy cooking and happy learning.